Eggmas, day 6. Eggmas, it's a month-long series where I'm doing a different egg dish each day. Today we are with my friend Shota, the top chef.
Hi guys, what's up?
And what are we making today, dude?
We're gonna make tamago, Japanese tamago.
Japanese, I think he might know something about Japanese stuff,
Just a
right?
little bit.
Why is that?
The people think I'm French, but I'm actually full Japanese
I
too.
thought you were Mexican.
I know, I get that. Let's do 3. Look at the color, yeah.
Dude, I love the color of these yolks.
Should we try to hit each other and
like
try?
This?
Yeah. 3. This is not
Yours cracked, mine didn't.
Yeah, it was worth the shot, right?
So for today's Eggmas, I'm very excited to introduce you to my buddy Shota, and I'm also very privileged to be able to learn this technique from him. This guy is an amazing chef. Go follow him if you're not already. So he's just whisking the eggs together with all the ingredients that will be listed down below. And also, here's another cool technique that I just learned from him as well.
This.
Where do you want?
No, this is perfect.
Okay.
This is a Japanese whisk, chef.
No, wait. What is this?
This is a Japanese whisk. Extra chopsticks. When I'm in the restaurant and when I need to beat a bunch of eggs, I'll grab literally every chopstick on the line.
No
and just like have a handful and whisk it up.
That's smart.
Putting a little oil inside.
Why do you do that?
It's because I like to wipe the pan with a little oil between each layer.
Oh.
So I set this paper towel up. Is that like a tiny ladle by chance?
Yeah, dude. We do when we need a ladle. I just bend the spoon.
Like the hole. I use chopsticks.
Wait, I love that. What's this called?
Tamago pan?
Why do I have this?
Why do you have that?
Yeah, okay.
That one time you made a video. Add extra oil in here directly. Grab my chopsticks, I dip it in the egg, and
Just the tip?
just the tip.
Okay.
So that's nice and ready. So we're gonna go ahead and drop our first layer. And why you want it raw and not cooked all the way is because that way it'll stick better together.
Like the glue.
Like the glue. Towel. And then just making sure there's enough oil so it doesn't get stuck to each other. And then keep doing the next layer. Same sides. And then
What are you using?
I'm using a egg carton or a whipped cream carton.
Whipped cream carton.
What I'm gonna do is
Turn the heat off, okay?
turn the heat off and just use the side and kind of lightly squish it
Yeah, that's really smart, dude.
so it really holds that shape.
Wow.
So in Japan you usually use like a wood board.
So that's the perfect size for that pan. So you use a wood board usually, but when you're at home,
You don't have a lot
use
of,
your milk carton.
use your milk carton.
Genius. Dude, that is beautiful. Okay, so now what?
Now it's your turn.
Okay. I won't fuck it up, I hope. Okay, so now when it was my turn, I was actually really excited because when I get the chance to learn something from someone that has done this for a long time, I get really excited. I really like this cool trick that he taught me where you dip the chopsticks in the eggs and then put them on the pan to see if the pan is hot enough. That was a pretty neat trick. Now, when it comes to flipping it with chopsticks, that is something that takes a lot of practice. I'm gonna have to get this muscle memory down, so I will definitely be practicing this technique in the future. And I will say that you also wanna make sure that your layers are not too thick and not too thin. You gotta be right in between here as well.
Yeah, you got it.
How you would make 20 of these for a service. All in all, I thought it was pretty good. I was pretty happy with myself, to be honest. Obviously, Shota's was much nicer, but I was very happy about this. So let me know what you want to see for Eggmas Day 7. Do you want to see something else with Shota? Let me know what else he should teach me. Yours is bigger.
I mean,
But mine's longer.
If we work together, we can make miracles happen.
right, guys. So here's a side by side. You showed us. Here's mine. This looks way more uniformed.
Which one looks more appetizing? Let us know in the comments
Yeah.
below. All right, let's see how this one is.
Beautiful. Yeah, go for it.
Not a lot of air pockets.
Dude, that is nice. Oh,
Oh, look at that. Hey, that's not bad though.
So you can see his is like one, and mine has all these little air pockets.
You have a little one right there.
You could stuff something in there.
And then they cut in the middle. Like that. And then they do the Chris here.
What?
You flip it.
What?
And you cut it in the same angle. And then you
What?
pull. Then you get the
What?
little triangle.
What?
Look at that. Look at that cute little thing.
What even happened there?
Ta-da.
That's sick, dude.
Well, shall we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try that, Michael. Good
Right?
texture.
Yeah.
You guys want to try this?
Yeah. Thank you.
Damn.
Oh, nice, fellas.
Well, we did it, right?
We did it.
All right, guys. Well, smash like, subscribe.